Today we have a video from Police Body Cam Station, and the title of the video is "Y'all Bogus as the F Word." 19-year-old crashes out, leads to night in jail.
On December 22nd, 2025, staff at a motel called 911 after two guests started arguing and causing a disturbance. The female couple apparently had a disagreement, which led to one of them getting locked out of the room. When officers arrive, they find the woman in the midst of trying to break down the door.
I don't care, you don't care, I don't care either.
What's up, ma'am?
Don't talk to me, I ain't call y'all, don't talk to me.
Okay.
Open the door! Excuse me. You should go now. Stop. Open the door.
Don't do that, ma'am.
Can you go? Nobody call you.
Hey, stop kicking the
Open
door,
the
ma'am.
door, this is not your door.
You want to go downstairs, get a complaint from them real quick?
Can you move, bro, so I can get in here?
Occupant of 223, did you call for us?
No, see, I stayed here originally. That way to get her removed
don't. I
from
stay
here.
here. We both
I'm
stay
the
here.
one registered. I'm a registered.
Go ask them down here. Go ask them.
Okay, did you call for us?
No, I don't know who called. Maybe the neighbors because they're nosy.
Do you need our help?
Out here screaming,
Whatever, I ain't said it.
No, how can the neighbors be nosy when y'all are loud and obnoxious? Okay, let's start there.
You should never touch my shit. I'm not going nowhere. I stay here, bro. I pay bills here. What you talking about? I'm registered. It don't matter. It don't matter because you're registered. You don't pay none of them receipts. What you talking about? It don't matter. What you going to do? The man gonna tell you that.
See, this is why the neighbors called the cops.
Me. What you talking about? I'm not going nowhere.
and we'll both get put out.
Okay, well, we'll both get put out then. But I'm not going nowhere. What you talking about? Go ahead, go to work.
I'm not going just quick.
You just said you was gonna be late. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Make up your mind.
Well, I'm gonna close the door because I'm half naked. This is
Gotcha,
professional.
understand.
Thank you.
Just try not to break any of their
Can you
property.
open the door back?
Ma'am,
Stop
please.
closing the door all the way. You know I gotta get in. Open the door! Stop closing it! I just called the police, dumbass. Open the... You don't have to come back, bro. Open the door. Simple. Just open the door, bro. Stop
They won't do
closing the
anything?
damn door. I'm naked. You don't have to close it all the way where I can't get in. You know the difference. Why try to be funny? You can't even lock it, dumbass. No, you gonna get us put out. I don't care. You wanna be down over some attention. How you sound?
Ma'am,
You're dumb
please stop yelling.
as- Can y'all leave me alone? Anybody call y'all?
Okay, well,
We
here's
can-
the
I
deal.
can be loud all I want, bro.
Okay, and I can give you a disorderly conduct ticket for that, okay? All right, what's your name? You got any ID on you?
I'm not being loud. I was just, I went,
Okay, I
walked
could
away
hear
from
ya.
I walked away from you.
Okay, do you
Oh,
have
you
any
can't-
ID,
you can't
any
bother
name,
me.
anything
I
like
stay over
that?
here on my own, like,
All right, what's your
I
name?
have freedom of speech, sir.
What's your name?
I have freedom of speech, sir.
What is your name,
And I
ma'am?
said, I
All
can
right,
do that. How
you're
you
under
know?
arrest.
For what?
Let
For
go.
what?
Let
For
go.
what? For what?
Let
For
go.
what? For what?
Right now it's obstructing. I'm asking
Sir,
for
I'm
your
not
ID.
even doing nothing. I don't have an ID
Ma'am,
on me.
let go.
Can you stop? Okay.
Let
I
go.
will. Let me go. Stop. Why y'all touch? Can y'all stop?
Let
Can y'all
go.
stop?
Let go.
Can y'all stop?
Let go.
Can y'all back up off of me?
Let go of it.
I'm not even
Do you want
doing
to give your
anything.
name?
I'm not even
Give us
doing
your name.
anything.
Give us your name.
For what? For what? What y'all need my name for?
Right now,
I'm not
I
even
told you
doing
you're going to get a
anything.
citation right now.
I'm not even doing anything. I'm in my own. Sir, I'm in my own. But I'm in my own bubble. That ass. She just gave you my name. So what's the problem? She just gave you my name. So what's the problem?
Right now, I'm asking for your name, and you're
She
not
just
fucking
gave it
giving
to you.
All right, turn around, put your hands
She
behind
just
your back.
gave you
You're
my
under
name,
arrest.
sir. Sir, she just gave you my name. She just gave you my name, sir. She just gave it to me. You got to do that to her. Okay, deal. Okay, all right. You can't do that. She just gave you my name, man. Damn, y'all just want to bother somebody.
You're not identifying yourself.
Literally,
After you've been told.
sir, she just told you my name. She just told you my name. Get up. I was just bothered. I was in the corner by myself. I was in the corner by myself.
Shut up, ma'am.
I was in the corner by myself, minding my business, bro.
Here, close the door. You're going to.
Oh my God. I'm not doing it. Can I get up, please?
I'm free.
Can I get up?
In a second.
This hurt. Oh my God, bro. She just told you my name, man. Y'all bogus. It's the holidays, bro. Okay, y'all got one. Can I get up, please? Y'all got it on there?
Seconds.
Oh my God. I just gave y'all. She just gave y'all my name, man. That's bogus. Can I please get up? This hurts.
Easy.
You on my leg, sir?
Yep. Yep. All right. We're gonna walk down this way.
I'm walking. Can I walk by myself, please?
Yep. I gotta hold on to you.
Why? I'm not gonna fall. I promise I'm not gonna.
I think it's just funny how the attitude changes all of a sudden. It's like really just changed in the blink of an eye. She was loud, obnoxious. The cop said, well, I could give you disorderly. You mock the cop. Now the cop presses the issue. Now, oh, I'm in my own bubble. I didn't do anything. Oh no, just let me go. Oh, well, why wasn't, where was all the hostile energy at before? Keep that same energy. That energy, keep that. Don't go to, oh no, I can say what I want, freedom of speech. Oh, okay. And now that's an easy play right there. That's an easy play for the cop because the cop got it on camera the whole time. What you was doing was disorderly. You banging, you yelling, disturbing the neighbors. That's all disorderly. So the cop is right. He's like, yo, I could give you a disorderly ticket. And then at that point, you want to mock him. Okay, well, now I'm actually press the issue. Since you don't care, okay, well, let's give you the ticket then. And then at that point, you do have to identify yourself. Because now you're getting a ticket. So you have to identify yourself. You don't want to? Okay. Easy play. Obstruction. That's an easy one. She just walked herself into that. Literally talked herself into getting arrested. That what you just seen is her talking herself into getting arrested. Unbelievable.
I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna fall.
Go with you.
That feel weird. I swear that feels strange.
I understand, ma'am.
I'm not going nowhere. You can go in front of me, sir, so y'all can see. I'm not going nowhere.
Y'all scaring her.
Y'all going nowhere, sir. Can you please let my arm go, please? I'm not going anywhere.
Shut up.
Sir, I'm not going anywhere. Can you please be quiet? Go in the room. Go. Be quiet.
You not have to be quiet.
Go in the room, bro.
Keep walking.
Sir, you're really. I can walk with myself. You like real life dude like that. Damn.
Y'all known for killing black people. Y'all just like
Can you be quiet? Damn. That ain't gonna help. And the reason why we in you just go.
Going over here, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Can you hold me, sir? You've been real aggressive.
No.
Can you hold my arm? You mad over nothing. Sir, you can have my name. What the
You got anything on you?
right there?
Anything in your pockets?
You can't search me. I'm a female.
Watch.
I don't consent.
Before you go in the back of my car, you're getting searched.
I don't have nothing. He got everything out of my. You just took my pocket. Did you not?
You have anything in the
You just took my stuff out of my pocket. Did you not? Sir, I have nothing in my pocket.
Okay.
I have nothing in my pocket, sir.
Stop it. Stop being a fool.
Come on, bro. Come on, you ain't got to do all that. You're a man. Oh, I'm stronger than you. Oh, I'm strong. I can show you. That's him. You tell your buddy to calm down.
Get in.
Tell your buddy to calm down. Like, come on now, for real. What is this about? Because
Sit in.
you got my. I'm talking to y'all. Can I talk to
I
y'all?
can talk to you once you're in all the way. I gotta put the seatbelt on you, okay?
Sir,
Tuck
we don't
your
have
leg in,
to do
please,
this, sir.
ma'am.
For what? What are we doing this for? We
You're
don't
the
have
one
to
that
do
did
this.
this.
I went to the corner by myself. You saw me. I went in the corner by myself.
Put your foot in.
Why are we
please,
doing this,
ma'am.
sir? We don't have to do this, please.
You're the one that's doing this, sir.
I'm not
Put
doing
your
anything.
foot in.
I'm talking.
Put
Y'all
your
have
foot
my
in.
name already, so what's the
I
problem?
gotta put your seatbelt on,
Please
okay?
don't do this. Please don't do this.
Keep that same energy you had before. Don't say, oh, please, you don't have to do this. No, keep that energy you had before. Do the mocking. Do the mocking you was doing. Do the nah the boo boo. Do that. Do that. Yell. Keep yelling. Start banging. Start kicking around. Do that. Do keep that same energy. Keep it up. Your energy is dipping. It's going below. We don't like it. Keep the energy high, the high energy. Don't all, oh, come on. You don't have to do this. I'm just talking to you. Oh, no, keep that. Yeah. Keep mocking and yelling and do that. Do that. Yeah. You was just kicking down the door upstairs. Start kicking the car. Kick the police car. Do that.
Please, sir, don't do this. Please, sir.
I got to
Can
put
you
your
listen?
seatbelt on you first.
Can you listen, please, sir?
And
Don't
then
do
we
this.
can work it
please.
through, okay?
Oh my
Watch out real
God.
quick. Watch out.
I don't know where to
Lean
go.
forward real quick. I got to try to get to the buckle.
God, bro.
No, it should be good.
Oh.
Lean back. Lean back, ma'am. Ma'am, lean back.
Oh.
Ouch. Sorry, your hair's stuck on my glove.
Oh my God, bro.
Watch your leg.
Her phone is on the front seat.
My front seat? I'll try. I don't think she's going to talk to us.
After getting her secured in the back of the vehicle, the officer makes his way to the station. Unfortunately for him, though, the tantrum this chick is throwing only gets worse.
Oh my God.
Oh, good. At least she gonna keep the energy up.
How to spell your last name?
Oh my God, this is not easy, bro.
Let it out. Let it out.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. Oh my gosh, bro. This is not easy. Oh.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
This is not fair, bro. Oh my God. Oh
your
my
last name?
God, bro. Hell, bro.
Ma'am, what's your last name?
Hell!
What?
I can't even think, bro. I can't breathe. It's hot back here. Can y'all? Yes, bro. It's hot. Oh my God. It's not even needed, bro. Please. Please let me go, please.
What is your last name?
Hugh, I just said that, man. You really just trying to make me, bro. You trying to make me a bad guy, bro. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my God, so you have to take me to my birthday. It's not please, no. Oh my God, I gotta. Oh no.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Keep the energy high. Yeah. Wait, what'd she say?
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Please. Oh, I hate that.
Don't talk about your girlfriend like that. It's not nice.
Are you serious? I can't believe it, bro. Oh my God.
In the end, the female was arrested and charged with obstruction as well as resisting arrest. Her female counterpart remained in the room and surprisingly was not kicked out by management.
Yeah. Yeah. That was okay. At least she kept the energy up at the end, man. Cause I was like, yeah, why she just mellow out like that? No, keep that bullshit that you had going on before. Yeah, keep that up. Said, I hate that beat. No, don't. Why you mad at your girlfriend for? You got yourself into this mess. You know, you got yourself into this mess. You the one that was yelling and hooting and hollering. You know, you thought he was joking about giving you a disorderly conduct ticket. You took him as a joke. Okay, well, we'll get you together. We'll see how funny this is. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. How funny is that? Now, you was laughing. You was making jokes. Now I want to laugh. I want to make jokes now. Okay, you had your fun. You had your fun. Okay. All right. The joke's on me. All right. The joke is on me. You want to make jokes? Okay. Right. Look at this.
Stop yelling.
Can y'all leave me alone? I ain't call y'all.
Stop yelling.
Can y'all leave me alone?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, please stop yelling. How simple is that? Please stop yelling.
Stop yelling.
Sounds reasonable.
Okay, well, here's the deal. Okay, and I can give you a disorderly conduct ticket for that.
I could be loud all I want. Okay. And I could give you a disorderly conduct ticket. So what route you want to take it?
Okay, and I can give you a disorderly conduct ticket for that, okay? All right, what's your name?
Oh, look at this. We have a comedian. Okay. We have Kevin Hart. We have a comedian now. All right. We have a comedian. Okay. All right. No problem. The joke's on me. All right.
Okay, and I can give you a disorderly conduct ticket for that, okay? All right, what's your name?
Okay. We have a fucking comedian. Ain't this something? Simple. Something so simple just escalated out of no. Ma'am, please stop yelling. That was it. That's it. Ma'am, could you please stop yelling? I could yell all I want. Well, it's technically being disorderly. So, you know, it's a motel. All right. I can give you disorderly conduct. Oh, now we have a comedian. Oh, okay. All right. We have Kevin Hart here. Okay. No problem. We'll get you together. Unbelievable. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.